Is your tummy upset? Are you tired of being cooped in? There she is, always being a camera hog. What do you think about that, Bubba? There she is. Look at little Mocha with her little cut on her nose. Are you tired of being with those women in there? Yeah? Is this too small of a space for you? What's Lucky doing? Hi, Lucky. Is she lucky? Yeah? And you, with your cute little brown nose. What's the matter, Mocha, with her little brown nose? What's that noise? Why's he making those crazy noises? Oh, goodness. Did you eat? Was it good? It was good? Oop. Do you want some more? Don't you always want more? I know. You want out of this stall? What's him doing? Oh, dirty nose. You put your nose all in that food, don't you? Let's see little Miss Quiet Mama over here. What's up, Lucky? What's her Lucky doing? What's she doing? Pretty girl. What's she doing? What do you think of this snow, Bubba? Are you over it? I know it. I'm tired too. Oh, goodness. Is that all you got? Okay. You guys done? Okay.